In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off Discord overlay. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer. Make sure you're using the Discord desktop app, since the in-game overlay is a desktop feature. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area and a gear icon next to your username. Click the gear icon to open user settings. Inside user settings, look at the sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the activity settings section. Under activity settings, select game overlay. This page contains the settings that control Discord's in-game overlay. Look for the option labeled enable in-game overlay. This is the main setting that controls whether Discord can appear on top of your games. To turn the overlay off, click the toggle next to enable in-game overlay. When the switch is gray or disabled, the Discord overlay is turned off. With the overlay disabled, Discord will no longer display voice indicators, notifications, or other Discord interface elements over your games. Turning off the overlay can also help if you're experiencing distractions, flickering, input issues, or compatibility problems with certain games. If you stream or record your gameplay, disabling the overlay can also help keep your recordings cleaner by preventing Discord notifications from appearing on screen. You don't need to restart Discord after changing this setting. The change should take effect immediately. If you ever want to enable the overlay again, simply return to user settings, select Game Overlay, and turn Enable In-Game Overlay back on. That's it. Open Discord. Go to User Settings, select Game Overlay under Activity Settings, and turn off Enable In-Game Overlay. And that's how to turn off Discord overlay. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.